Hey, today I want to do a quick video about what you should do before leaving your thrift store. After you got all your items, what you should do. So if you're interested in hearing that, and it'll be very short, then stay with me while I just introduce myself. Hi, my name is Marion, and I am a reseller, mostly on Poshmark, but I do dabble on other platforms and sell on Facebook Marketplace. I also buy on some of the platforms, but I love the thrill of the hunt. Going into the thrift store, going into the consignment shop, going into whatever where I can get cheap prices so that I can resell things. Now, getting back to what I was saying. So you got all your clothes, they're in your cart, you got all your items. It doesn't have to be clothes. No matter what you are selling, you should be doing this. Just take a minute and go and find a spot. Go and find somewhere where you could go lean, sit, put things on, really look at things. You want to take a look again. See if any clothing is ripped or stained, or if it's missing a tag. Take a look and see on your items if you had this. You're going to make sure all the birds are there. You're going to make sure that nothing is broken, right? So you want to look at everything, even if you're buying jewelry. You want to look and make sure it's clear and you could see it. You just want to make sure that everything is in pristine, not really pristine if you're buying used, but you want to make sure everything is sellable. And some people don't mind listing flaws in their listings, and I don't mind with certain ones either, but just really look, because not only me, but I see so many resellers that I watch who are newer, not even just who are newer. I've been doing it for 5 years. Now I think I'm finally at the point where I check everything twice, sometimes 3 times, because I've done it too many times. And then I end up throwing things out. Now, if it's something that you know is totally in trend right now, or that's a big name that you know people will still purchase, if it has flaws, then you put that online, because people will buy things with flaws, but make sure you know what they will buy with flaws. So you're going to go through all your items, and then you are going to just look around one more time, make sure you didn't miss anything that you came in for, and peek at those racks. Peek at any new racks that came out. If you're in a store that brings out racks. If you're not, then you're done. But last but not least, get a receipt. You want to have a receipt because, of course, you have to claim this on your taxes. So make sure you get a receipt. That's it for today. I told you it was going to be a short one. If you're watching it today, happy St. Patty's Day. I got to show you some St. Patty's Day things. Hold on. I'm going to take you over here because they're just so cute. But these are my earrings. Yes. Let's see if I could do this. Oh, it's telling me that the screen is locked. Let's see. I'm going to turn this around. And I could still... I'm hoping that you're seeing that, because I can't. But anyway, if you like this video, give it a like, and also please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It's free and it helps me get more people to take a look at my videos and maybe learn something new, or maybe just get a laugh. So I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. Let me know what you want to see, and please comment.